In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all uploads in Canva in just 5 minutes. Whether you're spring cleaning or just want to start fresh with your designs, knowing how to quickly delete your uploads can help keep your Canva account organized and efficient. Let's start by navigating to Canva's website. So open up your browser and head over to canva.com. Once you get there, you'll see the login button in the upper right corner. Click on that. Now, if you haven't already, sign in using your preferred credentials. Canva offers several convenient login options, so feel free to use Google, Facebook, or simply your email, whichever method you prefer. After you've successfully logged in, the next step is to locate the Projects section. This area will be your go-to for managing all of your design uploads and projects. Within the Projects section, you'll want to look for a tab labeled Uploads. Click on this to access all the files you've uploaded to Canva over time. Once you're in the Uploads section, you will see all your previous uploads displayed as small thumbnails. Now, to delete files, move over to the Folders tab. Here's a handy tip. When you hover your mouse over each image, it allows you to easily select multiple items. A checkbox will appear to confirm your selections. Make sure you carefully hover over all the images you wish to remove. Continuing with the process, once you've selected all the files, directing your attention to the available options, you'll spot the Move to Trash choice. Clicking this will remove your selected files from the active list and store them in the trash ready for deletion. Canva will then prompt you to confirm this action. Make sure you want to proceed, as doing so will send all selected items to the trash. With your confirmation done, the final step to take is clicking Delete. After clicking, all items in the trash will be scheduled for deletion after some time. However, if you'd like to bypass the waiting period and permanently clear them out, head over to your trash folder. Inside this folder, you'll see all the items that have been removed but are not yet permanently deleted. You can finalize the process by selecting these and clicking to permanently delete them from your account. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've now efficiently deleted all unwanted uploads and given your Canva account a much needed refresh. Keeping your account organized and clutter-free will make navigating your designs much easier and more enjoyable. Thanks for watching and happy designing.